In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make beautiful flower with many petals. There is small flower in the center. For example, I have made exact flower of variegated yarn. This is the third example of my flower. Then I show you how to make this flower without small flower in the center. This element you can find in tutorial 7 of Crochet Projects and Elements playlist. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work. Make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Away from the hook, make single crochet. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Make half double crochet. Then yarn over the hook. Make 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over the hook twice. Make 4 treble crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The petal is ready. Let's begin the second petal. Make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Make half double crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook, then half double crochet, 4 double crochet in a row, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4 treble crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second petal is ready. In total it should be 8 petals. 2 are done, we need to do 6 more. I have done lace made of 8 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I stop at this stage. Let's look at the ready flower. The number of petals in the flower can be differently. In my case, there are 10 petals. 5 of them are short and other 5 are long. In my case, I did 11 chains. You can make 13, 15, 16. Let's go back and continue working on our flower. After we have done lace, insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Take the working loop, pull it through. Chain through to bring of the yarn 1, 2, 3. Make a chain. Take the first petal. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make single crochet. Chain. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook between petals. Make double crochet. Chain. Insert the hook into the top of the petal. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make single crochet. Chain. And double crochet. Chain. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make single crochet. Yarn over and double crochet. Let's look what we have. Then you should continue by yourself. I'm about to complete this round. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch. Round is ready. And I will continue the work. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make single crochet into the chain stitch. Then chain of 3 for the chain space. Insert the hook into the next chain space. Make single crochet. We skip the stitch and single crochet into the next chain space. Chain of 3 and single crochet, and make single crochet into the second chain, and make single crochet into the second stitch, and make single crochet into the next chain space. Chain of 3 for the chain space. I skip the stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Then I skip this stitch and single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. After we have done all chain spaces, make a slip stitch into the single crochet. Round is ready. Begin the next round. For this make slip stitch and slip stitch into the next chain stitch. Make a chain to bring up the yarn, then chain more, make single crochet into the chain space, chain, and single crochet into the next chain space, chain and single crochet into the next chain space, chain, and so on. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. After I chained the last one, insert the hook into the first chain stitch at the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Round is ready, and let's look what we have. Let's make a row of trims. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make single crochet, chain of 3, I move down, I insert the hook from the back to the front, like this. Turn the work and make single crochet. Turn the work and work into the chain space. Make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a slip stitch into the single crochet. The trim is ready. Then insert the hook into the next chain stitch and make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook from the back to the front like this. For the next trim, make single crochet. Turn the work and work into the chain space. Make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make single crochet. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, chain of 3, make single crochet, turn the work and 5 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the single crochet, and make a slip stitch into the single crochet. Turn the work and make a single crochet, then chain of 3, and so on. Let's look what we have. We have done 3 trims. In total it should be 8 of them. After I have done 8 trims, I complete this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, you can cut off the yarn and the flower is ready. I remove this yarn to the back side. I straight up my petals and we will look what we have. We have got beautiful flower. This is the back side of the cute flower. And this is front. As you can see, we have got ready flower. If you beginner and this is difficult for you, you can just make a mesh in the center and sew a bit to the center. Here this is the center with mesh, and I put the bottom to the center. I remind you, this is bottom you can find in tutorial 7 of Crochet Projects Elements playlist. I remove the bottom and you can look at our center. For example, I have made exact flower of variegated yarn. Here how it looks. This is the 10 petal flowers. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.